If you are 60, 70, or even 80, your story is not over, it's just starting in a new and beautiful way. Aging is not weakness, it's wisdom waking up, it's your soul becoming softer, deeper, and stronger. You have lived, loved, struggled, and learned, and now it's time to return to your power, gently, one step at a time. Today, I'll share 5 simple practices that can bring your energy, balance, and peace back. Not the energy of youth, but the calm, wise energy of a life well lived. If your body feels tired, if your mornings feel heavy, remember this: you are not broken, you are becoming something new. Dove 1. Sleep, your silent healer. Sleep is not just rest. It is healing. When you sleep deeply, your body repairs, your heart calms, and your mind clears. Don't treat sleep as something small, treat it as your sacred time. Before bed, turn off bright lights and screens. Let your room be calm and quiet. Drink warm tea, take slow breaths, and thank your body for the day. Your sleep is not laziness, it's medicine, and every peaceful night gives you strength for tomorrow. Herb 2. Move your body every day. Sitting too long makes the body stiff and the mind dull. Even small movements can bring life back into you. Stand up every hour, stretch your arms, walk slowly through your home, lift your knees while sitting. You don't need a gym. You don't need speed, you just need movement. Simple, kind movement. Every time you move, you remind your body, I am still alive. I still choose life. Sun 3. Let the sun touch you. The sun is healing. It gives you warmth, strength, and happiness. Spend a few minutes each day in sunlight. Sit by a window, walk in your garden, or stand on your porch. Let the light touch your face. Breathe deeply. Feel that you are part of something greater. The sun doesn't just shine above you, it shines through you. Flexed biceps 4. Rebuild your strength. Your strength hasn't disappeared, it's just waiting for you. Start small. Hold a chair and slowly sit and stand. Lift your legs while sitting. Stretch your arms and breathe. Do this every day. You don't need to do it fast, just do it with love and attention. Your legs carry your freedom, your movement carries your confidence, and your heart carries your courage. Each small effort tells your body, I still believe in you. Water wave 5. Flow with yoga or tai chi. Yoga and tai chi are slow, gentle movements that connect your body and breath. They calm the mind and soften the body. You don't have to be flexible or perfect, just move slowly. Breathe deeply, and feel peace return. Practice in your home, or outside under the sky. Let your breath guide your movements. Let your body remember what balance feels like. Sparkle's closing message: my dear friend, you are not too old. You are not too late. Your next chapter is here, and it can be full of peace, energy, and purpose. Sleep well, move often, feel the sunlight, stay strong, flow with grace. These are not just habits. They are the paths that bring you back to yourself. You are not fading, you are awakening, you are becoming more you than ever before. Thank you for walking this journey with me. If this message touched you, tell me which practice you will begin today. Let's walk this path together, toward health, wisdom, and strength.